Good morning. I am standing in one of the most special places to me, Camp Lutherhaven on beautiful Lake Coeur d'Alene. This is the home of my very first quilt retreat now over 25 years ago, and it remains an absolute treasure in my heart. And you have a chance to join me at this amazing place to experience what is just like no place on earth, and have an amazing time at a multi-day quilt retreat in the authentic mountains of North Idaho, in cabins, knotty pine, the lake, the pine needles, the geese, and so much more. Down this trail, we get to head off to the amazing beach. Just imagine coming down here with your friends to experience unbelievable Lake Coeur d'Alene, one of the most beautiful lakes on earth. And you just be able to see, especially in the fall, the eagles are flying, the osprey are everywhere as we have drinks and friendship, desserts. Remember that part about the authentic mountain retreat? That includes these cabins. These are bunk beds, and we have arranged so that you'll be on the lower bunk. But let's just say these are not the overstuffed mattresses that many of us are spoiled with at home. I love to bring a quilt. This is the Aunt Dinah quilt. I brought this from home, and this is what I'll be using to cover up my bed when I'm at camp with you. You might want to make a quilt specifically for retreat, or just if you're hot at night, maybe the linen package is enough for you. So we talked about the linen package that you will be getting. This will include your pillowcase, pillow, you have a sheet, and you do have a blanket and some nice lovely towels for showering, washing your face. Head over to the website, many more details there. Be sure to get on our e-newsletter. If you're not on that, this is how we're letting people know that signups are open. We're trying to get more and more retreats lined up. So again, I look forward to seeing you at Camp Lutherhaven as we kick off our first retreats of 2024 and beyond.